Life is just like a tiny seed, that seed buried deep down in the silent dark. But with time, love, and care, a new life begins to grow, just like us. We push through the earth, we chase the light like the storms. We grow, we struggle to stand tall, and then we fall. However, every storm makes our roots deeper and stronger, which helps us to bloom with love to chase our dreams. In this journey, we make mistakes, however, we learn from it and then we rise again. Then there comes the fruit, our impact, our legacy, what we leave behind. And even then, if we fade, we don't disappear because every endings bloom into the new beginnings. Life is a lot like gardening, isn't it? You plant the seeds, trust the process, and even when things don't sprout on schedule, every little effort counts. So keep watering your dreams. You're growing more than you think.